All right, so I took this garbage and put it on the dyno 900 miles from home at LS Fest. The guy ahead of me in a Corvette blew out a slave cylinder on there, so that was like, you know, even if the engine doesn't blow up, there's plenty of things that could go wrong here. See what it's got. I brought an extra trash can, that's perfect.
That's gangster. I love it.
Yeah, it looks stock, right?
It's still cool shit. Old classic. Yeah. You don't see many of those anymore. You said it weighs what? 3,100?
32.
Yeah.
It was 2950 when it was front wheel drive.
Yeah, stock and not a lot of extra weight. Yeah. Trans Am 30 seconds.
Yeah, it ain't gonna make much for power, but it should look good.
Looks cool. It's a cool car. I like different shit that you don't see all the time.
Yeah, I mean, the Camaros and stuff are cool, but I walk right past them here and check out the cool stuff. My anti-squat should be close to 100, so that wheel shouldn't move hardly like at all as far as raising or squatting. I'm curious.
It's gonna be about 190.
Yeah. 195. Second pull 221, right? $204. Hey, I cracked the 200. If you want to kind of see how it looks and stuff, it's all on my YouTube.
Okay.
So obviously the results weren't exactly what I was looking for. This LR4 is only rated like 255 horse, 9.5 to 1. It's a 2000 LR4 out of a Silverado. But I do have a solution for that. I noticed too, like pulling that trailer, it was a little bit doggy going up the hills in like 6th gear. So then you got to bang it down into 5th, and then it's not screaming, but it's doing plenty of RPMs. 70 miles an hour in 5th is like 2,700. And it would definitely do pretty good around 2,300 or so, I would think. But anyway, I've got a solution for that problem. You'll have to wait for another video on this to find out what my solution is. But I can give you a hint, and it's aluminum, not cast iron. So you can see here, max power 204, max torque 209. So she's obviously a freaking beast. Corvette ahead of me was also in the lower mid 200s in power too. So I don't know if that's just kind of a stingy dyno or if this thing's just a little wheezy.